Make a great choice today with the 2024 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore. Compact in size, but not in features, technology, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.